In the heart of Durban's industrial zone, the Hulett plant stands as a beacon of global sugar production, transforming sugarcane into crystalline sugar around the clock. This facility is more than just a manufacturing hub. It's a testament to innovation, community support, and sustainable practices, shaping the future of the industry. Advanced technology and skilled workers ensure top-tier efficiency and quality, securing Hulett's status as a global industry leader. The plant is a vital economic pillar, providing jobs and bolstering the local economy. It influences a broader economic ecosystem, supporting various industries and fostering robust local commerce. Hulett exemplifies South Africa's industrial capabilities, with its products reaching far beyond local boundaries. The blend of tradition and cutting-edge technology facilitates a harmonious balance between productivity and ecological care, making Hulett a symbol of industrial vigor and ecological mindfulness in the global sugar industry.